how to turn on screen mirroring on iPhone 16. So if you want to turn on screen mirroring on your iPhone devices, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings application. Once you're on your settings, you need to scroll down and then go with the general section. Under general, you need to scroll down a bit and then you will find an option of AirPlay and continuity. Tap on it. Now here you will have automatically AirPlay. You need to tap on that option. In most cases, it is set to never, which is the default one. You can change this to automatic. Once done, you need to go back, and from here you need to go with your notification or your control center. Under your control center, now here you will have screen mirroring option, which is right here. This is the screen mirroring. You need to tap on it and it will take you to this kind of interface. In my case, it's not being processed because any nearby devices within the range will be shown here. And in my case, I don't have any nearby devices within my range. So if you have any device, you just need simply go and select that device and you'll be able to connect. And in this way, you'll be able to use screen mirroring. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.